Bachat utsaf, hiardor ki kali na kajing pencem ya ka khachna ban pensting ya ki nong shong shnong kari. Kentu UMP Katura saling sangma bantok kit ya kajing pendon kam ya ka song pisa ka GHADC. Penlong ka fastam ya kajing ya rally hasilong dawa ban kentiu syaka deficit. Bat kenta kinong tray ka GHADC ya kacing terwasiu ya ketulop na kabenta khat arbenai dawa ban siu no ya baro ketulop basak teng kabalong sau pesau benai. Kikubor kibabniat. Menteri Rang Baduk Kari Narendra Modi mentakasi ula pelaj ya ka GST Bachat Utsaf da ka baong ba kalong galenong ka bathamai hak rukam lum khajna chongkari India ka batmu ban pensup bat ban long shai ya ka ni gajing penkala la pen wandur hak rukam ban penduna ya ka jing siu khajna halor ki mar ki mata bat ki jing shakri ki ba kongsan ban kentiu ya kari hapo ka ni gajing penkala bathamai ka GST ki kali arshaka bat ki kali rid la penduna naka arpupra shaka khatpra naka shispa ki kali he kenlong haka khachna ka ba saupau naka shispa da ka ba odno iki weipat ki khachna kaban penduna ya ka dor shosho iki tiar kitar kali la penduna shaka khatpra naka shispa.
नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लागू हुए हैं जीएसटी बचत उत्सव की शुरुआत हुई है त्योहारों के इस मौसम में जनता जनार्दन को ये डबल बोनांजा मिला है
UMP Katura saling sangma ula kentu ban khmi bat toket benia ban pentikna ya kijing pendan kam hok ya kapisa jong ka GHADC ula pen pau ya kijing snow kia halor ki work order ki ba shong dor da ki klur na ka benta ban shna ya ki street light wat la ya kapisa la be da ka sarkar pedeng ula ong ba de ban ujor da ka FIR ban pentikna lada ki long ne em ki ba shisha menteri rang ba gejala ukonrat sangma dangshen ula pentikna ba on sabu ya ki solar street light Hagishnong, Kiyo, Badki Chakasa Abriu, Daka Pisa Naka Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, but Shen Onsas Dangno Yakakam.
So it's a confusing actually. Now he talks about the street lights. Now he asks street lights for about 104 crore. Primary processing has been submitted with a total budget of 104 crore. It's a bit confusion out there. Now he talks about the money to give for the district council from the month of November, and now he is again writing a letter to Government of India from the forest and environment asking money regarding that tax agreement. That means the government of Meghalaya wants to give the salary from this particular amount, which if they get it in the name of development for the people of Garo Hills, okay, whereas they want to give this particular for the salary. So he should have been clear regarding this one. Why he is giving statement after statement, explanation after explanation, one after another.
Daki hajar ngut kinong hikai ad hoc hapo kalama jangka Federation of All School Teachers Association of Meghalaya FASTM kila penlong ya gejiyat rally kabajai-jai hasilong bandawa na kasorkar ban kentiu no ya barok ki school ad hoc syaki deficit kinong hikai na barok ki district jang gejala kila ya shimbenta hakate gejiyaki gejiyat rally kelas dang na Madan Malki lengba ka lain kra ter bad lapen kot pat Hamadan Malki hakaba gejiya kenduk lang kalakut da gejiya syong kelain mengor. Kinong yalam jongka fastam kila banjur ba gejing yakhi kalami na gejing bom la jongka sarkar ban le ai halor gejing dawa jongki kabala sa teng laslem.
Kay kebadan kam menta kamut ba ke sarkar kadai ban sna ye kita ki policy ke ban penjak no e kan ke kerteng ad hoc kamut kenang bangin yo da kata ka jing siu ka ba man la ka por kamut kan don ka jing kiu jong ketulop kumbalong lem ki wei ki para no hikai namala rang yakran ya kata ka qualification ma kumno la thung ye yang ki no hikai nyemdan ka jing per ni de ki ju ni pendap ya ka ju ka jing puli ki ju ki kerdan hendrai ka jing per ka bami hang ni pat ka dai tang ha ka jing siu hadu menta ha ni rungi kubur ba ka sokar kampej ya kaliang ka puli ka puti kalau ong bangi lale sibun ha kaliang ka puli ka piti hendrai ha ka bakut ana rang nya pej ba khamtam ba ki no hikai ad hoc ni sa ba kumju kum ngunuksa ngen ayapi mo ngila hikai menta la jan lai post nem wah ka ju ka tulap bat uniu no hikai berang wan thamai kemudur mau pitang hanta kai ka buram ka jongi ke na ka emlang ka sala
Kajinyalang kabakongsan bala penlong ha kasian kabalai ha pedeng ka subcommittee bat ka non gazetted employees association NGEA jong ka GHADC la penlong hatura banyakren halwar ka jing penslam ban siu ya katulam la penya ya kajinyalang da deputy commissioner u wibhor akarwal ka subcommittee kala penlong ya kajing ya phaliu jingmut ka basani bha bat kinong yalam jong ka NGEA halwar ka jing terwa jong ka sarkar habakren shakilat pathai kubor udc ula penshai halor kani gijing terwa da ka ba pensngau ye gijing e bala pen pau de kinong trei bat ula pentikna ba onburam ye gijing long light luit jong ka council ula pentikna ru bala deban pelait ya katulab na ka benta khat arbanai jong kinong trei ka GHADC
the employees want something concrete, and I think the employees are also welcoming this. The employees in general are welcoming this. Okay, because it has been too long, and they have been suffering for too long as well. So some assurity and some stability in their salaries also has to come, right? Not just for the pending ones, but for the coming ones as well. But obviously they want some assurances, and they want some assurity on all these particular things. So all their points will be conveyed to the state as well, so that it can be clarified from the state as well in a more legible way.
Hakawi pat kaliang ka NGEA henne kasngi kala kentat ya kejing terwa jong ka subcommittee ban siu shwa ya ketulap na ka benta khat arbanai ya kani karai la shim ha gajing yalang jong baro kinong trei ka balalong ha office ka GHADC ka balalam da u president ka NGEA u Britain M Sangma ka Finia Krikchi ke Sangma ka balong kanong trei jong ka GHADC kala yathu shakilat pathai kubor ba hadian kajing kren bat ki para dekhot baro ka association kala rai ban beteng gajing khi jong ka bat bandawa ban yo jing siu ya katulap baro ka basa teng ka balong sau pusau banai
for the past 3 months. So they have created a committee regarding to solve the solution. So they called us and they proposed us for 12 months, 1 year salary, as the order was given for 10 months. But today they have proposed us with 12 months salary. So we all cannot take decisions by ourselves. We'll let our employees know, and the decision will be solely taken by the employees.
Ki seng bhalang bapher ki badon ha Garo Hills ki bakenthop ya GSU ADE FKJGP FAF bat ka AYWO ki lapen bana ban penlong ya ka curfew made ha ka RPR bat RPSAU tarik unai lur nado ka por khandai bejemen made hadu ka por san bejemen stem kani ka ji ki ka long ban persha ya ka rai jong ka sarkar jila ban penya ya ka tura medical college chapo ka PPP mode bat ki jing e ka badang beteng jong ka GHADC u deputy commissioner u webher akarwar ula pen tikna ban shim yigi sinjam ban wanra yigi jingshan da ka ba pen trekam ya ka section ka ba shispa hanre phulai jong ka BNSS ban khangla na kinu gi jingja basnusi ula kerpat yigi nong shongshnong ban long gi bajai jai bat ban budanti yigi kendon an bat banchur ya ka jingdon kam ban pen bet yigi jing e da kalenti ka baben.
Ultimately, what I would like to appeal to all the people is that to not do something which violates the law. right? Because ultimately, whatever protest has been happening so far has been happening very peacefully, and the administration is also respecting that, and there is a mutual respect between the administration and the protesters as well. So till now, 2 rallies have happened. They also happened, ended peacefully only, and we gave permission for all those 2 rallies as well. So what I'd like to appeal to people is to do things which are in the ambit of the law, so that this peace remains, right? So the protest that is happening so far, the administration has also respected that and has allowed it peacefully. So anything which violates the law, obviously we'll have to take action on.
Ka National Ayush Mission galaraki ya ka National Ayurveda Day kabashipau ha Tree House Resort Tura halor kapang Ayurveda for People and Planet. Hagani ka sngi layadon lang da u MLA ka rangsakuna u subir marak but I ADC I Perla Tatiana di Sangma. Haba ay jingkren hagani ka sngi u subir marak ulapen pau i jing kongsan jong ka Ayurveda karukam sumarten rai kari India kablakot sanajar snem. Ulamait pang ya karukam sumar bakirpang kaban ay jingada ya kidawai balashnahi bad kajing sumar bakirpang kabapen kod ya kamed kajing mud jing perkhat bad kamen sim jong ubrio. Hagani ka program lapen longru ya kajing pen I ya ka kolshor kajing pen inam ya ka Ayurveda bad ki kper dawai kenban bad kajing itu ya ki doktor halor kajing no senyang jongki.
Recognizing that health is harmonious balance of physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of life. Personalized care. Ayurvedic practitioners tailor treatments to an individual's unique constitution or dosa. Ayurveda emphasizes maintaining good health through lifestyle choices, dietary habits, and daily routines to prevent diseases.
Kanegrims kalapenlong ya ka health camp kabakarpang mentakasi Hashanti Bhavan Shillong hapo jangka Swast Nari Sashakt Parivar campaign kabapaikmat ya ka koit ka kya kikentay bad kilong kami ya kani ka health camp kabadan bentalang ka ding paso PHC bad kinong sumar batbit kanegrims ka ay ya ki free medical check up kajing penrung kerteng na kabenta ka MHIS bad PMJAY bad ka jingalang ban penpreng jingtip halor ka koit ka kya chongki U Director Ganegrims, U Dr. Nalin Mehta, Ula Ong Ba Kani Kasian Jam Katmu Ban Penshloria Gijingle Check Up Kabaman Kapor, Kabala Saki, Baladon Buon Kibawan Yishimenta.
We are addressing free health camps and checkups for ladies who come to the hospital, also the lady attendants who come to the hospital, because normally ladies tend to neglect themselves for the sake of their children or spouses or other members of the family. When they are not doing too well, they feel that they should not go to the hospital. It will affect the entire family. They will go later, and unfortunately at times later it's a little too late, or they become very seriously ill, which requires long hospitalization. So I think it is a lesson and a message for all that every lady, every woman in the family, whenever they face any health related issue, they should reach the hospital immediately. Prevention is better than cure.
Ka nektar kala yasnok tilang bat ka akin analytics kabalong kiken huns dangkam kiken thai ka beningkong ha India kaban aya ka jing shakri leng bagi drone bat yaki program ai jing hikai ha kitanat trekam kom katanat karep karyang katanat ti Marpo khandau katanat Beijing tay katanat boarding bat katanat disaster management hakel leng ki benta chongkathan chatay lamingi ka akin kan a yaki drone ki balashna ringkat kajing start AI kat ba kan nektar kan penya so yaki bat ki project hakathan ki drone na kabenta ka rep karyang ka nektar ki batmu na kabenta kajing rep slasha kila long ki babyang bat kidang up yaka type certification lani kajing yo chingben.
Square feet area they are taking for setting up a drone tech hub basically. they will try to assemble their drone components, and that will be one of the marketing point. And also they are trying to build some repair center also, what I have discussed, so that they may get some kind of support, provide some kind of support to drones that get defect here in Northeast area.
Kashilong kan sepenlong ya kan National Ayurveda Day la shai kasi ha Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy neya ringkat ke jingdon bentalang menteri ketanat ka koi ke khia uba wailat miki shela kum ukongsan ka phang pedeng menta usnem kalong Ayurveda for People and Planet Shwaban penlong ya kani ka program ka neya kala penlong ya ka medical camp hagi santali gishnong ka jing penlong ya jing yakob drona ka benta ki khana school ka jing ai jing kren ha IIT bad IIHM ka arugya fair bad ka jing penlong ya ka Ayurveda Marathon. I Dr. Verity Markham ibalong I Assistant Professor ka Ayurveda haneya ila ong ba kani ka sinjam ka thmu ban pen sa prang jing tip shapang gidawai kan ban bad ki jing mentoy chong ka hakaleng chong ka than.
Pwede magkanig matpedang sa labo. Gila penong iki program ki prepare kapag ya penong iki medical camp hakishnong sandali kishnong baladan kuma sanspa mat kinang tam ki balawan ni kabanyo jing sumat ban milala kan penong iki program ka college ka jungi kapag ki hybrid ki bawan na ki school ki prepare ban penong iki jing dro but kumjuru ya ki jing hikai ya ki bala ai ki faculties janga Ayurveda college ki bala ki college kumha NIFT Shillong, IHM, ICAR, UMIAM. Kapag kajing hikay kalawan ra, iya kabancing kan siya shpang kani katana jing sumar kajungi kata shpang ka Ayurveda.
Mentangin pej igijing long jing man kasun beneng. Hatura kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 40 kendai degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong kendai pawai na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 1.9 mm. Haba pai pat shalong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius wat kajing shet kalong 8% degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong khandai pom riu na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 1.9 mm kat ba hajawai kajing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong 8% degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau menta kasni kalong prapho na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 8.8 mm Kandan kajing hap slap ba malumala bat kajing tiat uperthat akibabuan kijaka hatura shilong bat jawai Shwaban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup kubor ini pet biang sashisin yakimat bakongsan Pelaj Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ya ka GST Bachat Utsav herdor ki kali na kajing penjam ya ka khachna ban pensting ki nong shong shnong kari Kentu UMP Katura usaring sangma bantokit igijing pendon kam ya kasong pisa ka GHADC. Penlong ka fastem ya gijing yait rally hasilong dawa ban kentiu syaka deficit. Bat kentat kinong tray ka GHADC ya kicing terwasiu ya ketulab na kabenta khat ar benai dawa ban siu no ya baro ketulab basa teng kabalong sapu-saw benai Tia paralok katungila poisha kabukut chong kathuk kubor jungi menta ka janmit hadu bangin de champion bat pila shai kasngi khublai pi baro
Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma addressed and briefed the media today on the arrangements for the